Alright, see, the volunteers don't have anything to do with the chicken until they hold it in the hand. The poop has nothing to do with the volunteer. The poop is all up to the chicken. It's all up to the chickens behind. Do me a favor, say chicken security.
Chicken security.
Louder.
Chicken security.
Louder.
Chicken security.
Louder.
Chicken security.
Please bring the chicken.
Please bring the chicken.
Louder.
Please bring the chicken.
It's not good for us.
Now this one is for $1,000. With all the celebration of St. Patrick's Day, I'd like to say Happy St. Patrick's Day to everyone celebrating this evening. Now, what you're going to do is, you're going to swirl that chicken around 3 times. Then, shake him up and down. Then, you'll blow in his butt. Then, you'll drop the chicken. Are you ready? Are you ready for $1,000? Are you ready to win $1,000? Go for it. 1, 2, 3. Shake it up and down. 2, 3. Now this one is a real shitter, so keep your fingers crossed. Oh! Wait.
Go!
Keep walking!
Keep walking!
Ferdinand is looking really lucky, people! Oh! It is over. Who had 38?